Okay, so this is the storm damage so far. It's still snowing. This is the first victim, birch tree. I'm very nervous because a lot more of this is probably going to fall before the storm is over. If you look over there on top of our in-law apartment, you can barely make out the tree branch area where it broke off. I can't seem to zoom this in, so maybe you can't see it, but trust me, it's there. So we're gonna walk around. This is my lovely Japanese maple that I didn't try to save because I thought it was sheltered. Apparently not. I'm gonna walk down here around the back side. Hopefully nothing falls off while we're walking through. Okay, so these are kind of precarious looking as they wobble. Nice pine tree. Definitely looking a little sad. And this is where all the damage really happened. So you can see a couple branches off of this giant pine tree already fell down. These are the ones that landed on the roof. And I got one of them down by myself and then had to get David to come out and help me with the other. And the snow just keeps falling, which makes it next to impossible to try to clean up this mess. I don't even dare go back to see what it's like back by the barn. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's walk back around to the front. So see, some of that tree branch, I couldn't get it off. It's still up there. I don't know how long it was up there getting covered in snow, but it was really heavy and hard to get down, even though it's not very big around. Okay. Bushes by the front door to the in-law apartment. Oh God, I hear more branches cracking. All right, sugar maple seems to be handling it okay. This is the little Japanese maple that David cleared this morning, but you'd never know it. Oh, and now we're coming up on my poor little summer sweet bush. I think the ground was too wet from all the thawing, and it looks like it's toppled right over. Poor thing. Now we're back on the other side of the house where the other Japanese maple is that I didn't think needed to be dealt with, but apparently it does. These are thuja bushes. They're normally like, I don't know, 30 feet tall. And they're weighed down. Not very nice. We're gonna have a lot to clean up. Hopefully it thaws fast.